If you're a business owner or freelancer, then you understand how frustrating managing bills can be, but even more frustrating than that is the lack of flexibility in the ways that you can pay. Melio changes the game by allowing small business owners to pay business bills with a credit card, even if that vendor doesn't accept them, meaning you get to hang on to cash longer and earn rewards for your business expenses. Melio also makes collecting payments extremely easy and civilized, taking all of the awkwardness out of the process so you get paid on time always. Hey, my name is Ryan, and in this video, we're reviewing Melio, a free bill management solution designed to provide businesses flexible ways to pay and keep track of business bills all in one simple to use dashboard. By the time you leave this video, you'll know with confidence whether Melio is right for your business, as we're first going to talk about what it is, how it works by jumping into the website and taking a first-hand look at the features there. Then we'll discuss who Melio is best suited for. And finally, we will talk about several frequently asked questions that you should hear before signing up yourself. So make sure to stick around through the entire video. If you're interested in signing up for Melio at any point during the video, make sure to check out the description and comment section below, as you'll find a link to sign up there. Melio's all-inclusive web platform is loaded with features, from the ability to schedule bill payments, track a payment every step of the way, to two-way data sync with QuickBooks integration, eliminating the need for dual data entry. There are two options for paying business bills using Melio. The first is through bank transfer, and the second is via credit card. Now, the best part is that there's no monthly or setup fees, and there is no fee for making payments via bank transfer, so you can use Melio for completely free. In fact, there are only 3 ways that you could possibly pay a fee. The first is a 2.9% tax-deductible fee for payment via credit card. The second is when you expedite a check payment, and the third is for an international payment, each for a $20 fee. Now, one of Melio's main selling points is the ability to pay vendors via credit card, even when they don't accept them. This comes with a number of benefits, from maximizing your business's cash flow to extending float up to 45 days or your next billing cycle, and to top it off, earn credit card rewards on all of your business expenses. Additionally, Melio provides complete bill journey information, so if you send out a payment request to a customer, you can see when the receiver actually opens that request, the payment method they choose, when they've initiated the payment, and payment completion status. You can track any invoice until you get paid. The best part is Melio doesn't require your vendor or business customer to be a user of the service, so you can still make and receive payments your way. Jumping over to meliopayments.com, after signing up, you'll land on the Pay tab. This is where you'll go to create, add, edit, or track the status of a bill. It's really easy to add a bill. Let's go ahead and click Add Your First Bill Payment. And you'll see that there are 3 options for adding a bill. The first one is entering information manually. Second is you can upload an existing bill file. In this case, Melio will scan that document for required information. And the third one is to link your QuickBooks account to Melio. In this case, all of your existing bills inside of QuickBooks will automatically sync into your Melio dashboard without any extra effort. And when you do pay off those bills, that will automatically sync back to QuickBooks, so you don't have to worry about dual data entry. Next, let's briefly go over the Get Paid tab. This is where you'll go to manage everything related to payments, including unsent payments, sent, in progress, and completed payments. So let's go ahead and click Start Getting Paid, and Melio will prompt you to create a customized payment button, which can be used by all of your customers to make payments online directly to you. This is a really cool feature because you can implement this in your email signatures or on your website. Another great feature about Melio is that your business customers can make payments to you via credit card. Once you've added your bank account and set up your customized payment button, you can pass that 2.9% credit card fee onto them, or if you'd like to provide greater flexibility for them, you can choose to absorb that 2.9% fee. You can then add an invoice by connecting your accounting software. You can upload one or add one manually, or finally, you can share your Melio Pay button so your customers can add invoice details themselves. After creating or adding an invoice, you can view specific analytics about it, from whether the customer has seen your request to the complete payment timeline. And as your customer takes action with your request, that will update on your Get Paid dashboard, from the Sent tab to the In Progress tab to the Pay tab. Now, I went ahead and created this fake invoice here and send it to one of my email addresses, we're going to hop on over to that email and I'll show you what the customer can expect on their end when they receive a payment request from you. So this is the email that the customer will see when you send your payment request. They'll see the payment amount, who it's from, the due date, the invoice number, the options for payment, including bank transfer and debit card for free. And since I didn't choose to absorb the credit card fee, they'll see that they need to pay that 2.9% fee if they decide to go with credit card. From this email, they can also schedule the payment by clicking this link here, and they'll be able to enter the invoice details themselves. Now, because I can't pay myself, I'm gonna mark this bill as paid, and that will move over to the paid tab. You can see how seamless this whole process is, as it takes the guesswork out of the equation, as you can easily track accounts receivable and payable all in one simple to navigate dashboard. Next is the contacts tab. Here you can view a list of vendor and customer contacts, add a new one manually, or import them by linking your QuickBooks account. The last tab we'll cover is the settings tab. Here you can update company information or manage a team if that's what your business entails. Melio provides great team support with 4 different account roles: the owner, admin, accountant, and contributor. Each have varying permissions. The admin has complete access to vendor and customer information and has the privilege of denying or approving payments made by accountants and contributors. The accountant can manage bills and payments, the connections between accounting software, as well as contributors. Another nice feature is that as the owner, you can set a limit to how much an accountant or contributor can make in one payment without prior approval from an admin or the owner. Next, you can set notifications for all sorts of things within your account, whether you want status updates on the progress of a bill that you scheduled, or you want to be notified when a payment method is added or changed within your account. Next is the accounting software sync. Currently, you can link your QuickBooks Online account for both accounts receivable and payable, but you can also connect your QuickBooks Desktop, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, and FreshBooks account. However, all of those only support accounts receivable at this time. Next is the approval workflows tab. This is where you'll go to set those payment limits for accountants and contributors. The last 3 sections outside of the support tab here is where you can edit and update your payment methods, link or change a bank account, and view billing receipts. We'll jump into the frequently asked questions in a second here, but first, what type of person is going to get the greatest value out of Melio? Melio really is great for any small business owner. Even if you only occasionally have bills, the service is completely free to use unless you pay via credit card, so you can still take advantage of the flexible ways to pay, all while remaining very cost effective and organized thanks to how streamlined the bill management process is. In contrast, if you're a business in the food and beverage industry, for example, you likely have a constant flow of bills. Melio is great in this situation too, because you can manage all of those bills in one simple to navigate dashboard. And if you are a vendor watching this, well, it helps you get paid faster too. Melio also offers a designated solution for accountants and bookkeepers. So if you are an accounting pro, you'll want to check out the Smart Payment solution for accountants, which enables you to manage your clients' business-to-business payments with an intuitive, all-in-one, easy-to-navigate dashboard. That said, let's cover several frequently asked questions, so if you decide that Melio is right for your situation, you can get started on the right foot. First, if I want to pay via credit card, but my vendor doesn't accept them, how do they actually receive payment? So your vendor will receive payment via bank transfer or paper check, whichever they prefer. Second, what kind of payments can I make using Melio? Payments must be business to business only, meaning that you can't make any personal payments using this service. Third, what are the fees? So it's entirely possible to use Melio for free. However, there are 3 ways in which you potentially could end up paying a fee. The first is when you pay via credit card, which incurs that 2.9% tax deductible fee, or when you choose to absorb that cost on behalf of your customers, allowing them to pay you with a credit card for free. The second way is when you expedite a payment, and the third way is if you make an international payment, which again incurs a $20 fee. Fourth, if I'm using a free payment functionality like bank transfer, is there a cap to the number of payments I can make per month before I start getting charged? And the answer to that is no. You can make and receive an unlimited number of payments for free as long as you don't use a credit card or absorb the cost of a credit card on behalf of your customers. Fifth, what if my customer or vendor is not a Melio user? Can I still use the service to make and receive payments? And the answer is yes. Your customers and vendors don't need to be a Melio user, and it doesn't impact the way you make and receive payments if they're not. Sixth, I'm an accountant, bookkeeper, or owner of multiple companies. How can I use Melio to efficiently manage all of those separate entities? So it's really simple to manage multiple clients or businesses using the multi-company dashboard. Melio allows you to completely separate clients and companies into different dashboards, all under one login. Seventh, can I make international payments using Melio? And the answer is yes. You can make payments to Canada, United Kingdom, several European countries, Latin America, Asia Pacific, and more locations which are being added frequently. Lastly, does Melio have a mobile app? One of the downsides about this service is that there isn't an app yet. However, you can still access the website on your mobile device and use many of the features found on the desktop version. If you are interested in signing up for Melio, make sure to check out the link in the comment section and description below. Also, make sure to share this video with an accountant or business owner friend spending more time and money than they need to every week managing business bills. That said, thank you for watching, and as always, make sure to leave any questions or comments in the comment section below, or shoot me a DM on Instagram at Ryan McGregor with 2 R's at the end. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.